Very good morning, class students. Our unit topic is mensuration. So from the chapter, I am going to explain 10.4 exercise. Listen well. In that exercise, there is a first question. There are three metallic spheres of radius 6 centimeters, 8 centimeters, 10 centimeters. So here total we have three metallic spheres. Total we have three metallic spheres with radius. So first R1 is equal to 6 centimeters. Then after R2 is equal to 8 centimeters. R3 is equal to 10 centimeters. So there are three metallic spheres with radius 6 centimeters, 8 centimeters, 10 centimeters. Respectively are melted. So these three spheres are melted and recast into a largest sphere. So here we have three metallic spheres with radius 8 centimeters, 6 centimeters and 10 centimeters. He melted the three spheres and he made a one largest sphere. You have to find the radius of the largest sphere. You have to find the radius of the largest sphere. Here what is the conversion? The conversion is three spheres melted and recast into a largest sphere. So the value of first sphere plus second plus third is equal to the value of the largest sphere. So what we can write here? V1. V1 means V1 plus V2 plus V3 is equal to V. So V1 is a value of the first sphere. V2 is nothing but second sphere. V3 third sphere value is equal to capital V means the value of the largest sphere. Now you have to find the radius of the resulting sphere. Radius of resulting sphere is equal to R centimeters. I am taking the radius of the largest sphere as capital R. Then what here? V1 plus V2 plus V3 is equal to V. So what is the formula to find volume of the sphere? 4 by 3 pi R1 cube. This is a volume of the first sphere. Next 4 by 3 pi R2 cube plus 4 by 3 pi R3 cube is equal to 4 by 3 pi capital R cube. Here from this what is the common? 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi. So I am taking the 4 by 3 pi as a common. So what is the remaining here? R1 cube plus R2 cube plus R3 cube is equal to 4 by 3 pi R cube. 4 by 3 pi and 4 by 3 pi gets cancelled. R1 cube means radius of the first sphere. R2 cube means radius of the second sphere. R3 cube means radius of the third sphere is equal to R cube. 6 cube means 6 into 6 into 6 plus 8 into 8 into 8 plus 10 into 10 into 10 is equal to capital R cube. 6 cube means we can write 216. 6 6 are 36 and 216. See 8 8 are 64. 8 4s are 32. 3 8 6 are 48 plus 3 51. So 512 plus 1000 is equal to R cube. Now add that. Seven two eight plus 1000 is equal to R cube. 1728 is equal to R cube. This one we can write as 12 cube. 12 whole cube is equal to r cube. Then r is equal to 12. So the radius of the resulting sphere is 12 centimeters. So 10th class students, here another question from 10.4 exercise. A solid metallic sphere of diameter 28 centimeters. Here one sphere there. Diameter of that sphere d is equal to 28 centimeters. Is melted and recast into a number of smaller cones. So that sphere is melted and is forming some smaller cones, each of diameter. So diameter of cone is nothing but 4/2/3 centimeters and height of the cone is 3 centimeters. Height of the cone is 3 centimeters. See here, one solid metallic sphere of diameter 28 centimeter is melted, recast into a number of smaller cones, each of diameter 4/2/3 centimeters and height 3 centimeters. Find the number of cones formed. Here it means I don't know how many cones are formed from the sphere. Let number of cones formed as I am taking a sketch. Let number of cones formed, I am taking a sketch. And what is the diameter given? Diameter is equal to 28 centimeters. Then r is equal to d by 2 is equal to 28/2 is equal to 14 centimeters. So radius of the sphere is 14 centimeters. Similarly, here also diameter given. Convert as a fraction. First cone. Diameter d is equal to 4/2/3 centimeters. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 2, 14/3 centimeters. Then r is equal to d by 2 is equal to 14/3 into 2. 2 1s are 2 7s are is equal to 7/3 centimeters. Radius of the cone is 7/3 centimeters. Similarly, height of the cone is 3 centimeters. Now you have to find the value of the k. K means number of cones formed by the sphere. Volume of sphere is equal to k into volume of cones. What is the volume of the sphere? 4/3 pi r cube is equal to volume of the cone k into pi r square h by 3. 4/3 into pi value is 22/7 and radius of the sphere is 14 into 14 into 14 is equal to k into k by 3 into pi value is 22/7 into radius of the cone. How much that is? 7/3. So 7/3 into 7/3 into height of the cone is 3 centimeters. First of all, 22/7 cancel. Here 3 and 3 gets cancelled. What is the remaining here? 4 into 14 into 14 into 14 by 3 is equal k into 7 into 7 by 3 into 3. Now here 4 into 14 into 14 into 14 by 3 into 3 into 3 by 7 into 7 is equal to k. First 3 and 3 gets cancelled. 7 1s are 7 2s are 7 1s are 7 2s are. What is the remaining here? 14 remaining. 4 into next 14 into 2 into 2 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to k. 14 4s are 56 into 3 2s are 6 6 2s are 12 is equal to k. 12 6s are 72 12 5s are 55 55 plus 7 12 5s are 60 60 plus 7 67 is equal to k. So k is equal to 672. Total 672 cones are formed. Here from that sphere total 672 cones are formed. How many spherical balls can be made out of a solid cube of lead whose edge measure 44 centimeters and each ball is being 4 centimeters in diameter?